Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Phantom Wallet application using your mobile device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump in right into the video. First of all, make sure to open your Phantom Wallet application on your device, and this will be the main interface for the app. To log into an existing wallet, you'll need to tap on I already have a wallet at the bottom. Now, you can go ahead and enable your Face ID and use the Face ID authentication to log in, or if you want to log in using your recovery phrase, tap on Next. Now it'll ask you to enter your secret recovery phrases that you've previously backed up, which is 12 to 24 words. Go ahead and get to your backup and enter the correct phrases in the correct order. After typing in your recovery phrases in the correct order, tap on Import Secret Phrase. On the next page, it is trying to find your account and import it inside your wallet. Now tap on View Account once it finds your account and select your account right there and tap Continue. And there you have successfully imported your wallet. All you need to have is your secret recovery phrases with you, and then you should be able to get access to your wallet no matter how many times you delete it from the system. That is how you can easily log into Phantom Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.